Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a Burlington Co-Factory haul. All right, so let's get started with Burlington Co-Factory. I'm going to first start with the clothing. My son found a whole bunch of shirts and I just got them for him anyway because he liked them. This was like a nice black shirt. A black t-shirt, a simple black t-shirt. And let's see, I think this is the back of it. Yeah, it's the back of it or something. It says extreme, and then it says regret nothing, and then it has the character from Street Fighter, and it says Street Fighter on there if you can see. It's really decent. I'm not sure if it has anything in the front. Yeah, it says Street Fighter on the front, and we have the Street Fighter game, so I thought that was decent looking. It's a little bit big, but he wanted it anyway. So I got him that. And then my son found this shirt. It's like all black. And it has like pink and blue splattered and white. And let's see. This is the front of the shirt. It's like all black. And then this is like in the front where the chest is. You see King Tut. And I love anything to do with Egypt anyway. I love Egyptian things. And then this is the back of the shirt. See if it opens. This is the back of the shirt. It's like all rainbow colored. It's got a huge King Tut. And then at the bottom it has like a whole bunch of I forgot, it has some kind of writing on there. But anyway, it has the King Tut on it. He wanted that. So I picked him up that. Thought it was cool. And then my son spotted this shirt. This is a plain black shirt. Let's see if I can open it up. It's a plain black t-shirt again. I noticed that a lot of his clothing, most of it's black. Like a lot of the shirts are mainly black. Okay, this is all gold blinged out. And this is Ice Cube. Let me see if I could... Sorry guys, if I could fix this. Okay, you see Ice Cube? Look at that. Hold on a minute. And this is the old one. He was younger. Like when he played in Boys in the Hood. Look at this. And this was the only one that I've seen. Let's see if you can see it better. See how blinged out it is? And you see Ice Cube. You see? Nice. And then down here it says Boys in the Hood. You see? So like gold. And then you see Ice Cube. But that's when he was younger. This is when he was with NWA back in the days, because he has the Jerry curl. Reminds me of Eazy-E. But that's a blinged out Ice Cube. So I thought it was really decent. And my son liked it. And that's different. Like you never see shirts like that. So I got him that. And then I decided to pick him up just one pack of these socks. They're long. But these are Sonic the Hedgehog. And he has like balloons in his hands. They had other characters, but I just picked up Sonic the Hedgehog. And that's what it looks like. And then in the front, they had these, a whole bunch of video games. I picked up one. This was the only one they had left for PS4. It's called Titan Quest. And it's like the Roman days, and it's decent. So I figured I'll give this a try. Love games like this. Titan Quest. And this one was, let me see, $7.99. So yeah, that was a little cheap. So I just picked that up for him. And then, for the beauty items, guys, I picked up a whole bunch of nice stuff. Well, a little bit of items, not too much. All right, so I picked up this jar right here. It's brand new. You got to watch your stuff when you buy them. Sometimes they're opened and people like putting their hands on everything and swapping things. And I just don't like that. Or broken items. So this one here, let's see if you can zoom it in. It's called So Extra. And it's hard to zoom in, but it's like a moisturizing, buttery type of conditioner. Let me see. It's made with, I can't even see. It doesn't want to zoom. Zoom in, zoom in. Hold on a second, guys. Let me just try to stay quiet and see if it zooms in. It's not zooming in. Okay, it says enriched Hydration Buttery Conditioner. I think there's a little peach there. I gotta really look at this. I can't see you guys with the flash, and it's not zooming. So this is I think it's a hair conditioner. It's a deep hair conditioner, something like that. This was on a clearance sale. They were trying to get rid of them. They have a whole bunch of things over there for like $3.99 and different prices, but that's the only thing I picked up over there on that side. And then I picked up this. I need a lot more different kind of face creams and night creams and day creams. I never seen this one before. This is the 2-in-1 Collagen multi-action cream and serum with Dead Sea minerals. So I thought that was pretty cool because I never heard of a cream with the serum. So usually you can mix them together, or I put the serum on, then the cream, same thing. Or I mix serums and foundations and stuff like that. So this one was $5.99. So I had to pick that up. And then I picked up this one. It's the same price, $5.99. And this is the black box. And this one here is, let me see. It's upside down. This one is 24 karat gold, collagen and squalene, which is it's a sea mineral or a sea vegetable. And it says anti-aging night cream, firming, hydrating, wrinkle reducing. So I picked this up. I like anything to do with gold and collagen and, like, you know, expensive ingredients inside stuff. And for $5.99, that's cheap. So I decided to pick that up. And is this one, okay, it's an anti-aging night cream. Okay, so that's cool. I thought it was like a 2-in-1, but it's not. I picked that up. And then I picked up this really nice palette here. This is from Beauty Treats. And this was the only one they had left. And they had another one, but it was all completely, and I mean completely shattered, like broken. So this was the only one that wasn't broken or opened or tampered with. And it's all shimmery and glittery. And I used these in the past, and the colors do pay off. So I do wear a lot of stuff like that. I wear glitter. I wear bold neon. I wear metallic, holographic. I wear everything. So I'm not afraid of any colors, and I'm not that boring type that wears just brown and that's it, or nudes. And I like to have a lot of beautiful color shadows. And I have like a couple hundred palettes, so I have so much, but I picked that up anyway. And then I picked up this, this is from London, and these are the Assorted Herbal Teas. So you get a box of assorted teas for $2.99. I just picked that up because I love my teas. And then I got 3 more items. I picked up this one. This was on a clearance sale. A gigantic, real big, heavy bottle for $3.99. This one's Eucalyptus body wash. And I love anything to do with eucalyptus. It's very refreshing. And I just love it. So I got that. Let's see if I can move this over. And then I got another huge bottle of body wash. This one's Tea Tree. It's a gigantic, big bottle of exfoliating body wash with tea tree. Let me see if it zooms in. Okay, it says rich, invigorating formula, earthy tea tree fragrance, leaving your skin radiant. So I love anything to do with tea tree because it is like an antifungal, and it gets rid of a lot of things and germs and bacteria and keeps you fresh and clean. I just love the feeling of tea tree. I love the smell of it. And then I picked up this big, nice bottle. It's super big and heavy. And this one's a coconut milk body lotion. So I picked up this huge, big, heavy bottle of body lotion. So I got that. So that's it, guys. That's all I picked up at Burlington. It was kind of emptier in a way, like really nothing going on. So anyway, that's it. That's all I picked up. Thanks for watching this Burlington Co-Factory haul. And I will talk to you guys later. Let me know if you ever tried any of these products, and let me know what you thought about them, or what you think about the eyeshadow palette if you ever tried it. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.